Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about an important chapter, the college application season, a time of mixed emotions, excitement, nerves, and a bit of stress. So in this video, we're diving into essential college tips to set you up for success and make this journey smoother than it could be. Whether you're a high school senior or a parent supporting your child, these tips are crucial for navigating this important chapter. Are you ready? Well then, let's get into it.
First things first, have a plan. Have a list of schools you want to apply to and understand their unique requirements. It's good to remember that you and your former classmates' list of universities will be different, and that's totally okay. You are in different situations and have different aspirations. To each your own. Make sure to jot down application deadlines, requirements, and any additional materials needed. Better to make a list of your extracurricular activities, honors, or awards you obtained through the years, since some schools look for that. It's crucial to have all your important documents in order. From birth certificates, school ID, parents' income, to school transcripts. Print out and have a copy of them as early as you can. Request for school documents once the school already accepts requests, and don't procrastinate this, because the worst possible case is your document not prepared the very time you need to submit them already. It's better for you to stay organized and stay ahead. Reach out to your school advisors early, especially if you need recommendation letters or guidance on scholarships. They're here to support you and help you reach your dreams. Take time to reflect on your academic and career goals. Since the college season usually dates during your last quarter of your senior high year, it would totally be helpful to think through your plans as early as you possibly can. Research potential majors and careers and think deeply about what you want from your college experience. It's a journey that starts now. Prepare for entrance exams diligently. Study little by little each day. Review your high school lessons and take practice tests to boost your confidence. Some universities are totally strict to your entrance test scores. If you make steady progress, you prepare yourself for outstanding results. College applications come with financial responsibilities. Prepare yourself or your family financially for application fees, transportation costs, and more. Budget wisely to ease the financial burden. Amidst all the planning, don't forget to take care of yourself. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and enough sleep are key to maintaining your energy and focus during this demanding time. Lastly, embrace the journey. The college application season is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Cherish the growth, the struggle, and the excitement of building your future. Seize life and its moments, so when the moment's passed, you are fulfilled, you let yourself enjoy it. You've got this.
And there you have it. As I, in my own definition, succeeded in preparing for college, these tips will help you navigate the college application season with confidence and clarity. It's gonna be quite a ride, but remember to embrace the process and look forward for the exciting road ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need these tips. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your college journey.